In this top bar, let's click Filter. There are two main types of filtering: quick filters and advanced filters. Quick filters are going to give us a high-level view of the columns that we have, and it will show us the number of items that will apply should we click any of these filters. So if I use quick filtering to select a status, only those items in the done status will be shown. To better see, I'll just close that filter window. If I reopen the filter window, we can clear that filter here, and our other items will now show. Then I can switch over to advanced filters to show you that. Under the advanced filters, we have more control to build a complex set of criteria. For example, we can filter work to where status is not started. So this is going to show only the work that has been started. We can then add new filters with some and or logic here, and we can continue to build out our selection. Date is after last week. If there's a filter that you will refer to often, you can save this as a view. I'll click Save as New View, and it's named Table up here by default. So I'll open the menu, click Rename View, and call this Started Work.